Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira, and today we are going to make something exciting, something new. Today we'll be making some oven roasted chicken with some roasted root vegetable. So let's get started. For the dish we have some whole chicken with skin. So we need to make sure that we get the same specification if you are cooking the whole roasted chicken. The reason we are having the skin on is that the meat inside, it will be nice and soft till it is cooked. Then we have some thyme and rosemary for herbs. We have some Dijon mustard. We have some peeled garlic. We have some carrot. We have some potato. We have some bell peppers for the side dish. Then we have some chopped mirepoix, that is onion, celery, leeks and carrots. This we'll use it to stuff inside our chicken cavity. Then for the marination we also have some Worcestershire sauce or WC sauce. We have some HP sauce here. We have some salt, pepper and olive oil. So we'll start by making the marination of the chicken. So we'll add in some rosemary. We need to just pull it from the stem so that you get the leaves into it. For one whole chicken we'll be using like 3 stems of rosemary. It's always best to keep the herbs a little bigger in size. If you chop it, maybe till your time chicken is cooked, the herbs will start burning. So best is to keep it whole. Now we'll add some salt, some pepper. Now we'll add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Around 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Then we have some HP sauce. You can buy it in the supermarket. So we'll add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of HP sauce. Then we'll add 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. We can mix this together. Our marination is ready. Now it's time to marinate our chicken. Add the marinade onto the chicken. Now we'll nicely massage the chicken so that the entire marination goes inside. So make sure the entire chicken is nicely marinated. While roasting the chicken, this will also give us a nice sauce for the chicken. Now we'll arrange some nice mirepoix on the side and also stuff some mirepoix inside the chicken. So we'll add some salt, some pepper to our mirepoix. Mix it nicely. And now we'll stuff it in the cavity of the chicken. This will give a nice flavor to the chicken. And the rest you can just scatter it on the sides. We'll keep it in the fridge for around 6 to 7 hours and then we'll start roasting our chicken. So we have leftover marination from our chicken. We'll use the same marination to marinate our vegetables that we'll be cooking along with the chicken. So we have some bell peppers here which is cut into triangles. So we'll add this to our marination. Then we have some peeled carrots here. And then we have some potato which is cut into wedges. Toss all your vegetables together at once and you can marinate it. Now we'll mix it. So vegetables are nicely marinated. We'll cook this along with our chicken. If you like, you can also add some thyme for some extra flavor. So it's been 6 hours now, our chicken has been marinated nicely. So what we have done is, using a thread, we have tied the leg of the chicken. This is done so that the chicken retains its shape after it's been cooked. We have transferred our chicken to a roasting tray, and now we'll place some vegetables along with the chicken to roast. So we have some carrots here. And now we'll add some potatoes also to the baking tray. We are leaving out the bell peppers because the bell peppers takes maybe 5 or 10 minutes to cook, whereas the chicken and the vegetables will take 45 minutes to 1 hour in the oven at a temperature of 160 degrees. So once this is cooked for around 40 minutes or so, we can add in our bell peppers so that all the vegetables are cooked together. So our oven is already preheated at 160 degrees centigrade, and now we are going to cook our chicken for 1 hour. So our roast chicken is ready now. We'll just take it out from the oven and we'll rest it for around 15 minutes. So as you can see, it has a nice golden brown color. We'll leave it to rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. Till then, we'll start plating our chicken with the vegetables. So we'll start by plating our vegetables. So we have rested our chicken for 15 minutes. Now we'll portion our chicken and we'll plate it. And we'll cut it from the sides so that we'll release the leg. Through the bone, we'll cut the leg. And you can remove the mirepoix and use it for the sauce. So whatever the cooked mirepoix we had in our chicken, we'll be using it to make a sauce. Now we'll cut the breast. So we have removed the bones and whatever parts we don't need from the chicken. So only the leg and the breast part we have kept. Rest we have used it for a sauce. So whatever dripping from the pan that we have, the mirepoix and the remaining stock that was coming out from the chicken during the roasting process, we have used that to make our sauce. You can also finish it with some wine if you have. It's better we use white wine so it gets a nice flavor to the chicken sauce. So we'll reduce our sauce to 50%. It will take almost 5 to 10 minutes for the sauce to reduce. Then we'll strain it and finish it. It's been 10 minutes now and our sauce has already been thickened a little bit. So now we'll strain it in a strainer. So we have strained our sauce. We have taken out all the vegetables and the bones. So now we have a clear sauce here. Our sauce has come to a boil. Now we will finish it with some soft butter and we'll use it for our chicken. So the consistency of the sauce should be thick like this. So we'll take some sauce that we have prepared and pour it gently over the chicken so that it remains moist. Rest of the sauce you can take it out in a bowl and you can serve it with the chicken.